database platform, creating lakhs of data analysts, engineers, developers, administrators. I request you to follow me on LinkedIn and don't miss my white papers, scenario-based interview questions, and other stuff on LinkedIn. Will be very useful for your interview preparations. Let's get started slowly. What is database? What we need to do at our job desk? Let's get into our actual agenda, database introduction and job responsibilities. We will go for questions, clarifications. After 10 to 15 minutes today, we will do one-to-one doubts clarifications. Before that, what is database? Let's get started slowly, step by step. Agenda. What is database and types of databases? What is DBMS, database management system? And what is SQL? We are going to learn from scratch today, from basics. We are going to learn the trending job roles and our job responsibilities. What kind of software required for our classes? Let's get started slowly. If we have an option, if you are having some option, then please try to write your observation notes. You'll do it from today. A handwritten observation notes, keywords. You'll send me the screenshot after the class on WhatsApp every day. If not today, from tomorrow, please get some observation notes. Buy a 200 pages white book. Date, topic, and keywords. Detailed notes I'll provide you, but good to have your own observation notes as well. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured, easy to organize, stores unlimited data, supports cloud, AI activities, 100% job, and we are safe because every project, every environment requires databases. Banking, healthcare, telecom, e-commerce, social media, research, defense, data science activities, everywhere we need databases. So our jobs are 100% safe. At the same time, we should be up to date. There are two types of databases: OLTP, data warehouse. At basic level, there are two types of databases. OLTP, online transaction processing database, to store live real-time data like live temperature, live stock market. Data warehouse databases, to store historical data, implemented by using ETL, extract, transform, load. Weather forecast, stock market analysis, anything pertaining to history and forecasts, past history, future forecast predictions. It is called warehouse. I repeat again, live OLTP. Database developers will be responsible for designing OLTP databases. What is that? Database developers will be responsible for this. Same way, we have data engineers responsible for warehouse databases. What is that? Developers responsible for OLTP database design. Engineers responsible for warehouse design. What about analysts? Analysts are responsible for reporting activities. Okay, observe carefully. What is that? Once again, number one, we have OLTP databases, live real-time data, data warehouse to store historical data. From here comes three important job roles. Okay, developers, engineers, analysts. To make it more clear, let's understand the end-to-end workflow for databases in real world. Here it is. The birthplace of data sources, files, websites, apps, social media, etc. From there, data goes to OLTP, the green item, that is OLTP, remember. Okay, OLTP. This OLTP, live online transaction processing databases, developers will take care. Next, what else? We have something called ETL, extract, transform, load, ETL and warehouse. Data engineers will take care. And we have something called data analysis. Data analysis, the rightmost activity, the rightmost side. So developers OLTP, data engineers ETL and warehouse, and third analysts. From here, now the job roles. Let's understand the job roles for each of these items. Let's understand the job roles here. Before that, let's revise once again what we learned so far. First, we are learning something called databases. Attendees who joined a bit late, for them. First, we are learning what is database, a storage room. Types of rooms: showroom, godown, living room, storeroom. OLTP, like a showroom. Warehouse, like a godown. Living room, OLTP, storeroom, warehouse, something like this. Now, how to implement these databases? By using something called DBMS. A software, I'll provide you the software download links today. Software used to store, manage, maintain database. Build, design databases, manage, access, analyze, secure, monitor, and troubleshoot databases. Example DBMS, SQL Server, Oracle, Postgres, IBM DB2, etc. So different companies came with different types of DBMS in the market. For what? To implement the end-to-end data flow. Here is a list of databases right now in the market. Microsoft SQL Server Database, Postgres, SAP BW, Vertica, ClickHouse, Access, Sybase, Snowflake, Oracle, Teradata, Google BigQuery, Amazon Athena, or Denodo database. It's actually owned by Facebook. Google BigQuery with Microsoft flavor. We have regular Google BigQuery, Microsoft flavor. IBM DB2, SAP HANA, Amazon Redshift, IBM Netezza, MySQL, SAP BW, etc. These are the database technologies right now from various companies. But every database has one common friend, SQL. And this is our course from tomorrow. Structured query language. SQL is used to perform storage, manipulations, reporting activities. Every touch on databases, we need SQL. Remember, we are going to practice SQL from tomorrow, second half. First half, we will go for installation. Second half, we'll go for SQL practice from tomorrow. After few days, we need to add on few additional items to SQL. We call it TSQL, Transact SQL, also called Microsoft SQL. What is this MS SQL or T-SQL? Yes, it's a variant of SQL, a type of SQL from Microsoft, designed by Microsoft for easy management, maintenance, and data activities. So, you wanted to become a data analyst, reporting, data engineer, ETL and warehouse, database administration, management, data scientist, Python developers, BI, business intelligence developers, everyone. TSQL is always a recommended technology. Various job roles in MS SQL, data engineer job roles, data analysts, data scientists, and others. Let me repeat again. Data engineers are responsible for warehouse design. Analysts, report design. Data scientists are R language, Python language, AI, Node.js, etc. for predictive analysis, deep learning, natural language processing, etc. With this content, tomorrow we'll do the installation and slowly start our database concepts. Then step into queries after 3-4 days. Architecture, tuning concepts, query tuning concepts we'll do. And once we learn about the query tuning, then we'll take something called procedures, functions, triggers, etc. Then you can become a data engineer or a SQL developer or analyst or programmer, Python, data science, etc. You can choose whichever you want. I have good number of case studies, use case scenarios, hands-on approach for all these items from tomorrow's class. As a data engineer, we are involved in ETL, cloud warehouse, cloud computing, and AI concepts. If it is data engineer, or other one, data analyst, reports, dashboards, trend analysis, Excel analytics, AI copilot, data analyst job role. Same way, data engineer plus analyst becomes BI developer job role. Business analyst is different. It involves BA, business analyst involves data analysis plus additional items like agile, quality check, data governance, etc. So to step into our job roles, I need to train you. I need to practically give you the information on all SQL basics first. Once we get all these basics, then step into the core activities, core job roles. Okay, this is the actual concept, I mean the actual roadmap for our learning process. I request you to take a print copy or a screenshot. Take a print screen of this particular item if possible, please. Especially the first items are important. Kindly take a screenshot or a pic of all these items, please, if possible. Kindly take a pic of all these items if possible, please. Done. Next, we'll go for questions after some time. We'll go for questions after some time. Anyway, we'll do. Next step. Let's continue. Now, how to start with? Yes, let's start with the concept of databases. I'll provide you the complete detailed notes. First chapter. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. When we say any type of data, it includes text, passwords, QR codes, barcodes, etc. Any amount of data, like terabytes, petabytes of data, in a secured, faster, organized format. Basic types of databases: OLTP, online transaction processing database to store live real-time data, like for example live temperature. Data warehouse to store historical data, like old historical data, inactive data, past temperature data. We have OLAP database for predictions and forecast. Best example, weather forecast. HTAP databases, hybrid transactional analytical processing databases that involves live forecasts and predictions. Like a best example, Google Map. You know, in Google Map you see live tracking, right? You see live tracking. You also see historical content. Live tracking plus history data, everything, isn't it? That is taken as HTAP database. You also see ETA, expected time of arrival, ETA concept. So live plus history, both. Okay, next. From here, what we are learning slowly, once again. Main purpose of our classes to get job ready. For that we are learning the basic item database concept. We are learning what is database and type of databases. From here, let's understand. I'll mail you all this content, okay? I'll mail you all this content anyway today. Please take a print copy of all this content. Birthplace of data, data source. OLTP, live online transaction processing databases. To ETL and warehouse, finally analytics. So developers, engineer, analysts, data scientists, they work for one project, different teams, one single project. From here comes various job roles. SQL developers, 100% coding. Data engineers, data warehouse databases and big data. And also involve cloud computing. They have their own certifications. We have data analysts. Main purpose of data analysts to design reports and dashboards. There are two different certifications. You can choose any one. Database administration, management activities. To implement all these job roles, we need DBMS. Database management system. It's a software. For what? Used to design, manage, and administer databases. Easy to implement and highly secure. These are the download links. You'll be receiving these complete notes today. Download SQL Server 2022 or 2019, anyone. Plus download a tool, SSMS, stands for SQL Server Management Studio tool. Okay, server tool, here it is. So there are different DBMS in the market, various DBMS from different companies. Just to make it clear, okay, I will list the major items here. DBMS and company. Here you go. Just to make it easier for our learning process. SQL Server from Microsoft. Same way. Oracle from Oracle. MySQL. It's also from Oracle. Same way. We have DB2 from IBM company. And we have Data from IBM. We have something called Fabric databases from Microsoft. Sybase from Sybase Corporation. It's a company name. Postgres, open source. But for support, you have something called EDB company for support activities, etc. So various DBMS from various companies, just to get some idea. From here comes SQL Server. What is SQL Server? This one, first one. A DBMS software from Microsoft. Very user-friendly interface, cheaper, free support, and supports cloud. I shall be guiding you for the installation. 10 gig disk space required. 6 gig RAM memory. Any OS is okay, but Windows OS preferred. If you are using Mac, enable Windows inside Mac. If not, you can use my online server for practice, but good to have your own, like environment ready, if possible, recommended. Windows OS recommended. If not, you can use my online server for practice purpose. Next, for tomorrow's class, please download these items. Okay, please kindly download. I'll mail you all these notes below. DBMS software download links. (2022) or 2019, anyone is okay, plus a tool also. Next, so far what we are learning, what is database, types of databases, right? Types of databases. Next, different types of databases. Then we have the next important one. From here, I'll just take you back to my document. Just wait. End-to-end plan. various job roles, DBMS, one such DBMS SQL Server. Next, to work with databases, here it is. To work with databases and DBMS, we need a platform called SQL. Platform called SQL. What is SQL? Let's see. Structured query language. A communication platform a communication platform to operate on any database. What is MS SQL? A variant of SQL, type of SQL to store, manage, and maintain Microsoft databases. What's the difference between SQL and MS SQL? Simple. Difference between mobile and iPhone. iPhone is a brand of mobile, right? Same way, OS, Windows. Windows is a brand of OS. iPhone is a brand of mobile. MS SQL is a brand of SQL from Microsoft company. Observe carefully. So we are going to learn SQL first. Slowly step into transact SQL next. Now, for this purpose, there are various versions of SQL Server. To work with this SQL and MS SQL, TSQL concepts, various versions of SQL Server are there on my screen. SQL Server 2022, 2019, 2017, 16, like this. Various editions, Developer Evaluation and Express, Developer Evaluation Express Edition. Next, same way, we have other one, Enterprise, Data Center, Standard, and Web Editions. These are all different editions or flavors of SQL Server. Please by heart these editions and versions. Next, in our classes we'll be taking 2022, 2019 and lifelong free developer edition. This is lifelong free. I'll provide the software today for developer. This is only 6 months free. This is lifelong free, but limited features, very limited features. It won't work for our course. And Enterprise, Data Center, Standard, Web Edition, these are all licensed copies. So various editions, various prices, because features are different. More features, more price, right? More features, more price. Enterprise edition will be costing you $24,500 US per processor license. Data center 42,000, 42 to 43,000. Standard edition about 7,000 USD. Web edition is 2,000 USD, around 2,500 US dollars. So we have various versions and editions of SQL Server. We will be working with 2022 and developer. I'll provide the software today. Next. Then comes our learning plan. Here it is. Coming to our learning plan, please take print copy if possible. Please take print copy if possible. Here it is, or take a screenshot if possible. I'll just take you to my screen. I'll make it a big screen here on my screen now. We are going to have 25 chapters. I think it's not, yeah, this one. We are going to have total 25 chapters to step into our actual concepts. I'll provide you this notes anyway, this one. Please take a print copy of this entire class notes to make it clear on what we are going to learn. You'll be receiving a Google Drive link for all these items, of course. I think, wait, it's not the one actually, just wait. Don't mind, okay, just wait. I did few minor modifications to my items. Let's wait. I did few minor modifications to the items here. Just wait for a few moments, please. Don't mind, okay, just wait. I think I got it here. I'll provide the up-to-date content, okay, to make it easier. I'll make it up-to-date content to make it easier for you. Yeah, this one. It has more content actually. I'll be providing you the complete checklist. It's now for about 4 weeks now. I'll provide you the complete information. It's actually for 4 weeks. Okay, I'll provide you the complete details. We'll start from introduction. Slowly proceed for installations. Then comes basics of SQL, constraints, joins, and then one case study. Second module, view Excel imports, Excel integrations, procedures, functions, triggers, so on. One more case study. Then subqueries, normal form, self join, so on. Final case study. So everything I will take practically. Tell me friends, how many hours you can practice per day? Please. How many hours you can practice per day? Minimum 1 hour, everyone. Please let me know. Please, minimum 1 hour. Yep, please. Mic with everyone. I'll wait. Mic with everyone. Minimum 1 hour, please. Can you practice for me? Minimum 1 hour, please. I'll wait.
Yes, I can do it.
Yes. Sure, Shivakumar. Others, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir, I can do it.
Sai
Yes, sir, we
Prasanna, sure. Sure, Avinash,
Yes, sir.
sure. Wait. Sure, Omaka, sure, got it. Others, please. I'll wait.
I can do it.
Perfect. Lalita, you got it. Sure, madam. Sure. Will do. Sure. Others, please. I will wait. Please, others. Others, please. I will wait. Amrutanshu, Vinal. Yes, please. Others. Shivali Iyer, please check your mic, please.
Yes, I can do it.
Please.
So.
Yes, I can do
Sure.
that.
Great. Yep. Thank you. Yep. Fine. Thank you, attendees who've been responsive. Others, kindly check your mics, please. Now, come on, let's recap again. We learned what is database, types of databases, job roles, responsibilities, DBMS software. One such DBMS SQL server. The prerequisites. You'll be given this download link today. Please download, install this software. I will guide you step by step. Just download the software. I will guide you how to install it anyway. I'll do slowly. From here, any questions, let me know, please. I will wait. Yes, please, I will wait. Any questions, please? I'll wait for some time. Fine. Yep. What next? Yes, I need to send you this complete notes. I'll provide the entire notes now. Please see if we can take a print copy of the notes if possible. Is the time okay for everyone? Like this 10 to 11 India time from tomorrow. Is the time okay, everyone? Please let me know, please. I'll wait.
It is fine for me.
Sure. Others, please let me know. I'll wait.
Yeah, it's fine for me.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm open.
Yeah, it is fine for
Great.
me also.
Fine for me,
Sure,
sir.
sure. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Yeah, fine then. And next, every day there will be assignments. Every day from today, there will be daily assignments. So just make it clear here again. You have daily from today, class notes, document, and also just wait. The class notes, document format, and class practice files, one or more files. You need to have assignments. You shall submit on my website, this one, sqlschool.com. Submit, here it is. My team will check. My team shall verify your daily submissions. You will not wait for me every time. I respect your time. Verify submissions and send corrections or answers within few hours of your submission. Okay, they'll do the needful. Next, this is daily activity, Monday to Friday. Then next, one more. Let me be clear, friends. Okay, we need all these items. Next, weekly. My team shall be calling you every week for very important item, mock interview. Every week there will be mock interview. My team will conduct it. Next, I'll just make it clear. I want this to be printed document for easy reference. Mock interview and also feedback on your practice will be submitted to me. Next, at end of the course, I shall conduct mock interview, then guide you for resume, or not exactly at the end, towards the end, towards end of the course. We'll be conducting the mock interview and I'll be guiding you for your resume, right? These things we will take care. Let's be clear in what we do. Any further questions, do let me know. We'll stop for now. I'll be sharing you this complete document. Please go through it carefully, especially these download links. I'll be sharing you all this content now. Any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. In the meantime, I'll compose the email. Over to you now. Questions, please. Amrutanshu, Avinash, Vinal. Any questions? Others, please wait, friends. Amrutanshu, Avinash, Vinal. Any questions, please? Let me know. I'll wait. No, cannot
I'm
hear
fine,
you.
sir. Yeah.
Sure, sir, sure. And Sai Prasanna, Shiva Krishna, Shivali, any questions, please let me know. I'll wait.
I'm good, sir.
No questions.
Sure, sure, sure. And next, others, Shivakumar, Lalita, Umakant, any questions, please let me know. I'll wait.
Hello, hi, sir. I already have MySQL server on my laptop. How to check the version
Okay,
of
sir.
it?
Sir, MySQL is different, MS SQL is different. Which one you are having right now? Tell me.
I do. I also have MS SQL. I have both of
Okay,
them.
okay. Then fine. I'll be showing you how to check the version of SQL Server tomorrow, my dear friend, on my screen. Tomorrow's class, second chapter notes. Okay. I'll be showing
Okay.
you tomorrow how to install the software. And after we do the detailed installation tomorrow, these are notes of tomorrow's class. Then I'll be showing you how to verify the installations and then finally how to verify the version of SQL Server. I'll be showing you anyway. But just in case, here it is. Number 2, my dear friend. Once you connect to the server, version number 16 means 2022. Could you please check it once now? If you can.
Yeah.
I'll wait. Try it now. Try it now. I'll wait. I'll wait. In the meantime, please wait, friends. Okay, please wait. Yes, email sent to everyone. Kindly check it, friends. I'll wait, please.
It is saying version 20.01 while starting.
Oh, no, that is SSMS version, my dear friend. That is different. Please connect to the server first. Connect to the server. We'll see. Connect to the server. Friends, in the meantime, email sent to everyone. Kindly check it, friends. I'll wait, please.